So, my packages just arrived from Amazon. Let's do a quick little unboxing. So, I got a long one right here and a short one. So, here I've already opened the box. Let's see what's in this first package. I have my jojoba oil here, as you can see. This is for a project or a product that I'm going to have for sale coming out. Right. Also, I ordered a brand new ring light for the channel. It says this is UB size ring light sets. So yes, I can't wait to use this. I can't wait to use it. I'm excited to use that, y'all. And then I ordered like a, it's just like a little shower rod because I needed a shower rod for my shower. So yes, that's just a quick little mini unboxing. Nothing too major, nothing too crazy. But yeah, we're here cooking breakfast. I have some Oscar Mayer turkey bacon. I'm gonna get this going in here in the pan. I'm gonna fry it. I'm gonna have me a bowl of oatmeal and a banana, and I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna get started on prepping our almond milk, and I'm gonna also share that recipe with everyone and with all my new subscribers in the next video, so keep on the lookout for that. I also have my herbal tea over here boiling. This is raspberry leaf tea. This has quickly become one of my favorite herbal teas to drink, or one of my favorite herbs. I will be making a future video about some of my favorite herbs and favorite herbs to drink and make medicines and tinctures with. So now I'm gonna make my oats, my oatmeal. I have some Quaker oats here and some spring water. I'm gonna make it over the stove, and I'm gonna add some tasty berries to it. Added about a cup of water. I'm adding my oats. All right, we're gonna come back and add the rest of our ingredients. So now that our oatmeal is done boiling, here's where we're gonna add just a little bit of butter. And then I also have some berries here to the side. I'm gonna put those in there. Okay. All right. So that's how we're looking. I'm gonna just put it in my bowl. And breakfast time. All right, there's my breakfast. I have my turkey bacon here. I have a banana and my oatmeal, and I'm just gonna top my oatmeal off with these berries. Just throw them in there like so. That's it. Off to the gym. So welcome back to the gym with your girl, Sunshine. All right, with today's workout, we're just gonna get straight to it. It's gonna be a lot of hip movements, a little bit of plyometrics, and I'm gonna incorporate some abs at the end. All right, just to like kind of bring our workout down some, or bring that workout down to a cool down as we come to the end. So as you can see, I've already grabbed my Bosu ball, and I'm using that to better improve my stability and my balance. And I have a 10-pound weight in my arms just to make the exercise a bit more challenging, all right? Still using that Bosu ball, and I'm just basically doing some lunges. All right, just simple and to the point. This is still kind of the warm-up. All right, now to our hip movement. This is a fast-paced movement. I still have my Bosu ball here. We're gonna turn this workout up a notch. And as you can see, I'm just going from side to side. And as I come to the side, I'm doing a simple squat. All right, we're still using our Bosu ball. We're doing burpees here. So you're gonna use your Bosu ball. You're gonna flip it to the opposite side of blue where it's black. And you're gonna use that to balance yourself as you do your push-ups. This also helps with the chest as well, or to lift the breast. And as you come up, you're gonna do squats or post squats in between, like so. And you know what, ladies and guys, I just wanted to come in and add that these do not have to be perfect. Please take your time. Please be consistent, because the more you do something, the better you become at it. Repetition is the mother of skill. I am a living testimony of that, so I just wanted to come in and add that. If it's too difficult or challenging, but you must challenge yourself. So we're just gonna do one last set of those burpees. This exercise helps give you an hourglass shape. So yeah, why wouldn't you want to do it? Okay, this is our final and last Bosu ball exercise. Now this is quite challenging. This is more of like a plyometric exercise. You want to make sure to really keep your balance and take your time, all right? Like so. So now I have two 10-pound weights in my hand, and this exercise helps to, I notice, lift the upper part of the butt or the glutes. I love doing this exercise. I do it every time, all right? Like so, self-explanatory. And this is called a Bulgarian split squat. This is an elevated Bulgarian split squat. Now up to our abs. This is our ab segment of the video or the workout. This is pretty much, we're nearing towards the end of the workout. So you want to make sure to grab a medicine ball or an exercise ball like I have here in my hand. Okay, this is the last and final ab exercise. I'm pretty sure your core is on fire. I'm pretty sure your core is burning right now because mine's definitely was. And I just wanted to come in and let everyone know, like I always say in almost every video, the core is the foundation to the body. You want to have a strong core, all right? I can't stress enough how important that is. All right, this is the last and final exercise here. We're ending here with some jump squats. All right. Make sure to just check the description box below for all those new details. And share this video. Peace.